Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Style by Sonia, and thank you all my returning subscribers for your encouragement, for your support towards my channel. I really do appreciate you all. So in this video, I decided to bring this amazing hairstyle for you guys to learn how I made this hairstyle. So, and also as an inspiration, let this hairstyle be on your to-do list, because I know at the end of the day, when you see the end result, you're gonna like it. So this is how I'm making the hairstyle. Just watch me and see what I'm doing. This hairstyle, I'm in love with it. I'm going to even look for someone that will make it for me as well, because I kind of like it. So guys, this is the top part of it. So this hairstyle, I'm not going to be using any extensions at all, just the last part that I'll add extension. So I'm using our own hair to like do everything. So just watch and see how I am doing the sectioning and all of it. So guys, if you are here, you are still watching, please, it means that you like what I'm doing. Please do well to subscribe, leave engagement, give a comment, leave a comment in the comment section, and also share this video for others to learn as well. Please let the engagement continue to roll for and support me, so that I can continue to upload videos. You know, it's like an encouragement for me. I know you guys are amazing, you guys are the best, and I really appreciate all of you. Please, if you are watching and you have not subscribed to this channel, please hit that subscribe button. Hit it. It is quite free. You don't have to pay for it. Okay guys, just watch what I'm doing and see. I know you're not gonna be disappointed. You're gonna love this hairstyle. Honestly, you are going to love it. Okay guys, so I'm still trying to like get used to voiceover, because it's quite tedious, honestly, for me to just talk all through the video. Still trying to look for a sound that I can use, honestly, because I don't think this voiceover is for me at all. So guys, just continue to watch and learn. So guys, I will leave you guys here. I'll stop talking here because I'm literally tired now. So I'll leave you guys to continue to watch, and please do well to subscribe, hit that notification bell, boom, 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 so that you can get notified each time I upload new videos. I love you guys. I love you guys. Thank you guys for your encouragement. Thank you for coming back to watch my video. And thank you all. Sit back. I'm going to say bye now, but the video is still going on. Please sit back and continue to watch this video and learn to see how I finish this video as well. And I know you're not going to be disappointed. I know you're going to love the end result. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for your encouragement. Thank you for your engagement. Bye. I'll see you in my next one.